Hello, we're going to go over son patterns for mariachi. Like I've explained in the previous Google Meet, where we have distinguished the different types of rhythms you will be needing to know to successfully play a son Jalisciense rhythm. Starting with the first rhythm here, down, down, up, down, up, which we have a quarter note, 2/16, and 3/8 notes. So rhythmically counting, it would be 1, 2 E and 3 and. For us, we're going to use the phrase down, down, up, so we can know the movementation for the hand. The next part, we have the two group eighth notes, which is down, down, up, up. And if you see the second eighth notes here are accented. They are stronger than the first downs you're doing. And then here we have the regular group eighth notes, and we'll be going regular down, up, down, up, down, up. Now, something I did not explain in the Google Meet is this different rhythm that you will be seeing in El Tirador. This is very similar to the first rhythm here. It's just a little bit different because we have a quarter note here and we have an eighth note. So that extra eighth note will add a different movement with the wrist. So from here, we're going down, up, down, up, down, up. And the goal to successfully playing this isn't how fast you can play it, it's how clean can you play it. So the first rhythm, which is this one up here, is going to go like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the next rhythm with the accented down is going to go down, down, and then last, the eight notes are just straight downs. The new one that we have here is going to be down, up, down, up, down, up. So it's going to go down, up, down, up. So together, we'll do one bar of this, and we'll add this one right here with the tempo like going as 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, play. Okay, and again, that's 1, 2, 3. All right, now the next thing we're going to go over is El Caballito rhythm. So contratiempo, it would be either called contratiempo or a lot of people call it El Caballito because it sounds like a galloping of a horse. Here we have 3 measures of 8 notes. And it's going to go down, down, up. So it's going to be double down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Last one, down, down, up. And let's get out of that syncopation. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3. So again, that's 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, so you want that little like rasqueado, that little rasp. Right? And that's the typical son rhythms you'll be seeing. And again, your rodobles, which is this combination of 16th and 8th, you want it very clean, not you want it smooth. The next video will be the actual guide to El Tirador.